The first thing I'm going to do is log into my Office 365 account. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is choose the app launcher, and that can be found by choosing those 9 squares and then come over to Clipchamp. And once you choose that, it's going to log you into the system. You can either create a new video or you can create a video using artificial intelligence. You can get started with easy edits by trimming a video, recording yourself, or use the text-to-speech option. And then, of course, you can get inspired by using a template. So I am not going to do any of those items there because I know exactly what I want to do. But you can either have a untitled video or create a new video. So I like to start from scratch with everything I'm working with. I'm going to go ahead and choose Create New Video. At this point, I am now at my leisure, and I can just go ahead and upload a video from my computer to get started. What I'm going to do now is choose Import Media, and I'm going to navigate to the appropriate folder. Right now, it is defaulting me into my Yahoo Mail folder. And then I'm going to open up this video called Yahoo Temporary Email. Double click on that to open it up. And now it's going to allow me to bring this into the bin on the left-hand side. All I got to do now is just drag and drop this to the timeline. And now I am ready to start making edits to the video. Okay, so that's exactly how you could get this in the system to begin making edits. You can go ahead and use the playhead by dragging that playhead to wherever you want to be so that you can make your edits. So let's go to the very beginning, and then I'm going to click on the play button, which is that right pointing arrow. Hey, Lady C here. Okay, so at that point, I could just say, I don't want this first part in here. And I could go back and scrub backwards. And I am going to be so I could actually use the plus and minus sign to zoom in and out of the timeline. So like, let's say I want to go to the plus sign to give me more space so that I can hone in on what I'm trying to get to. So I could click on that. And now what I want to do is I want to shave off some of the beginning of this video. So let's try this again. Okay, so here we go. So now it says, and I am going. I don't want to say, and I am going. I want to just start this off by saying, I am going. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to come up here to the scissors, click on the scissors to cut that, come and click on the part that I want to get rid of, hit the trash can, and I'm done. Choose got it. And then, of course, I can then drag and drop this back to the left. But now let's take a look at that message that popped up that says new, delete all visual gaps, because you can also right click in the timeline and select delete all visual gaps to ensure there are no blank spaces in your video. So take a look at what I'm doing right now. I'm right clicking on that space and I'm deleting the extra gaps in the video without me having to manually drag and drop that clip to the left. And then to complete your edits, all you got to do is just keep on listening to the video and stopping and then clicking on the scissors, and then just dragging the playhead, where you want to make your change. You also notice here, when I'm making a change, if there's a gap here, I don't have to right click and choose delete all visual gaps. There's one that just says delete this gap. Or if you just position your mouse pointer over the gap, there's that trash can. So then you can just click on that and then it will automatically butt the two pieces that have been separated together. So just continue, making the changes in your video. And I like to show people this like from a native standpoint because you want to know how to do edits just in general. I want to thank you so much for being in my audience. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.